Hello everyone,
I'm Shiatsue.
Today I'd like to share with you how to make sushi. The video is very long. The explanation is very
Anyone
detailed.
can do it after watching
Today I will give you a detailed explanation from 6 o'clock. Friends who want to learn how to make
After
sushi.
watching this video patiently,
You can also go out and set up a stall. The first point is steamed rice. Just use the rice used for cooking at home. Be sure to wash it clean. I washed it 4 times. Control dry moisture. According to 500 grams of rice and 550 milliliters
in a rice
of clear
cooker.
water. Be sure to remember to control the dry moisture of the rice after washing
Then
it
add
clean.
another
550 milliliters of water. The second point is to prepare the
After
side
the
dishes.
cucumber is cleaned,
Head and tail removal. Split in 2, divided into 4. The water content of cucumber pulp is relatively large. Finally cut through the middle. A cucumber can be divided into 8 pieces. It wasn't very smooth when I first started cutting. You can cut it a little slower. Try to cut as evenly as possible. Ham should be 90 grams each. A ham can be divided equally into 6 equal parts. My children prefer to eat this kind of corn flavor. I bought corn-flavored radish strips. I bought this ready-to-eat package. Pour a little bit of sesame oil into a large bowl. Apply evenly. This can not only add flavor to that rice, can also be anti-stick. The steamed rice is simmered in a pot for 5 to 10 minutes. Pour it out again. What I am going to explain to you below is the third point of mixing rice. Use sushi vinegar to mix rice. Mix it according to the proportion of 500 grams of raw rice and 50 milliliters of the best vinegar. You can also weigh it on a scale ahead of time like I did. This is more accurate. The prepared rice taste is the best. Pour the sushi vinegar into the steamed rice according to the proportion. Mix evenly. Put the mixed rice in. Keep it warm in the rice cooker for later use. Let me explain to you the fourth point of wrapping bamboo curtains. Prepare plastic wrap 30 centimeters wide. Wrap 2 or 3 layers vertically like in the video. The vertical line wraps 3 layers. Cut the plastic wrap. Fold the extra plastic wrap on the other side inside. Then prepare some plastic wrap. Pull out a little longer than the cutting board. It was wrapped vertically just now. Now wrap horizontally in the same way. For detailed operations, please watch the video carefully. Like in the video. Wrap 2 or 3 layers horizontally and vertically so that the wrapped bamboo curtain will not get moldy. So that every time you make sushi, just need to change the plastic wrap. The wrapped bamboo curtain is easy to use to wrap sushi, clean and hygienic. After the horizontal and vertical lines are wrapped, fold it again. Air inside the exhaust. Punch a few small holes in it with a toothpick. Can exhaust. After the bamboo curtain is wrapped, fold a few more times. The gas inside the exhaust. Next, I will explain to you in detail the 5th key point of sushi package. Prepare a special sushi seaweed. Smooth side down. The vertical strips on the seaweed fold themselves in half. The seaweed is placed on the bamboo curtain 1 finger wide from the front end of the bamboo curtain. Prepare 180 grams to 200 grams of rice. Spread evenly on the seaweed. There is no need to spread rice at the front end of seaweed 1 finger wide. The remaining 3 sides of the seaweed should be covered with rice. The sauce should be squeezed in the middle. The sauce is squeezed 3 fingers wide from the edge of the seaweed. When squeezing the sauce, it's best to measure it with my fingers like I did. Don't squeeze to the edge. I put salad dressing and ketchup. Meat floss is about 25 grams for sushi. Meat floss and salad dressing are essential. Then add radish strips, cucumber strips, and ham strips in turn. Do not place the material beyond the center line of the seaweed. 8 fingers to compress the material tightly. 2 thumbs to pull the roller shutter up. Be sure to compress it tightly when you roll it first. Pull up the roller shutter again and continue to push forward. Compress the rice tightly every time you pull the roller shutter. Pull it down again. This technique is the same as rolling a cake. Friends who do it for the first time can watch the video several times more. Just roll it a few more times. I cooked 270 grams of rice today. You can make 3 pieces of sushi in total. Let me explain the last key point to you below. Cutting sushi is related to the appearance of the finished product. It's the simplest and most important step. Be sure to choose a sharper knife to cut. The sushi cut in this way has a smooth cut surface. Rice is not easy to loosen. Delicious and beautiful. When making sushi, just learn these 6 key points. You can also succeed once. Come and try it quickly.